Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Moshur, graphics trainer. Today I will show you how to create a gear icon with two different ways. So let's start. First I will create a blank document with edit artboard. I will delete everything. Except the color and text. Now first I will take a ellipse tool. I will take a rectangle tool over the ellipse. Make a different color. To understand, make the rectangle round shape. I will duplicate the round shape. I will select two shape and align its center. I will align everything center. I will group and copy and paste. I will select again and copy and paste. I will select everything again, go to Pathfinder, click minus front. I will take another ellipse over this shape and select everything, align its center and go to Pathfinder and click intersect. I will go to ellipse tool again and take another ellipse, make a color, alignment center, go to Pathfinder and click minus front. This is gear 1. For gear 2 I will first take rectangle and draw a rectangle. With direct selection tool, I will move the rectangle shape. Three or four times. I will duplicate the shape, round it. Select everything, align, center, copy and paste. Duplicate again, copy and paste. Now I will go to Pathfinder, divide and unite. I will go to ellipse tool again and take a ellipse. I will select the ellipse and other object and go to align, make it center, go to Pathfinder, make unite. I will take another ellipse, go to alignment, make it center again, go to Pathfinder and click intersect. I will take another ellipse again, click a color, make the alignment center, go to Pathfinder and click minus front. So now we are able to draw two different type of gear icon. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.